without you.
So we should be live. Yeah. What's up, guys? It's me Shashank, and I'm back with another video. So today, yeah, I can hear you all. So today I'm going to do the random. Yeah, normal match. So today I'm going to do the random boss challenge. Whichever boss I get, which all the bosses are Kit, Jules, and Ocean. Whichever boss I get, I need to use their boss and stay in their place until unless the zone comes. So I'll put it. I'll put the skins into run default.
RIT my skin.
Now wait, I'm putting it into random. No, I need random.
All of his skin is gone now.
And plus
So I'm Ocean now.
Right?
Everybody everybody to Fortella.
That's bad.
Hey, you're gonna play the special
Fortella.
big screen.
I was
This
W2SPD.
market, bro.
My
Yeah, I know.
account got hacked.
Yeah,
FYI.
bro.
Hey, who's watching this? The Blacks wala thing.
That is bad.
In Party Royale, it's today
No, I'm not
7:20.
watching that
Hey,
thing.
dude,
7:10.
proper match now.
Yes,
Play a proper match only.
no, I need to use the boss
No,
weapon to
like,
get
don't
the
do
dub.
mythic boss and all now. Hey, but then
Yeah,
after
you have
you
to take the
finish
dub.
role playing,
Like
after
last
you
time.
finish role playing, you'll have to give me Shashank, not Shashank, me Adrit or Shaurya or mythic item.
Yeah, I'll give you the mythic
You have to
item.
give one of us mythic.
Yeah, I'll give you one.
Yeah, what were you talking, bro?
Everybody
How
has Fortella.
about me and Shashank? How about Shashank, you and Adrit go to, me and Adrit will go to some other place while you and your other friend Shaurya will go to Fortella.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because like both of us will get mythic items. Like me.
I'm going Fortella.
Really lagging today.
I'm
So-
Fortella.
Yeah, I'm lagging so much.
So actually, you both need to come with us. You both come with us only because you two are
All
lagging.
together.
Yeah, all
all
together. That will be the best idea.
Face in a game. Face in a game.
I'm still live. Yep.
Yeah, yeah, where are we going? This market.
Fortella, the red mark.
Fortella too far. 100 going in. 100% going in zone.
Fortella, red mark. No, Fortella is. Okay, you will mark it afterwards, right?
I've already marked it.
It is too far, but the Fortella is in the zone or not?
I don't know. You'll not get to know
Fortella is in the
now.
zone?
I don't know.
No, I'm talking about afterwards. Yeah, tell me.
Who
after.
knows? Yeah.
I really wanted to be in the zone.
You know, dude, Fortella's too far.
Fortella.
Where is Fortella?
The purple mark.
Where is Fortella?
The purple and red mark.
You can't go there, bro. No.
Of course we can go
It's
there.
too far, bro.
Going
Too
in zone
far.
100%. These two are like the first to go in zone and then never in zone. They're like
Yeah, I'm going Fortella because I need to do my challenge. Okay, Adrik, you can go solo. You can go Lazy Lake. That's a hot drop and you'll get a lot of kills.
Bad joke, bro. That's a hot drop.
Yeah, that only saying
Bro,
you will get
I'm gonna
kills.
be killed. Don't
So
talk.
come with me.
Don't talk about kills. I'm gonna be killed.
Come with me.
I'm coming. Is the boat there, bro? Can the boat be there?
Yeah, the boat's there. The boat's
be
there.
There?
The boat's there.
Okay.
No, wait, I have dibs on the
I can.
airdrop. I have dibs on the airdrop. Both of you are
I
The
can
boat
see
is there.
electric revamp.
See, Adrik, I've marked the boat for you.
Boat is there. Okay.
FYI, she spawns over here. She's like.
Wait, I'm going for the rigs. I'm going for the rig vault.
Wait, what? The rig is just the
Oh,
wall.
I'm coming with you.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
coming with
open.
you.
Where is the wall?
Wait,
of the
Shashank.
It's there.
Shashank, I want to come with you, okay? I can't be alone. So I can't be alone. Being alone is the worst thing I can do.
There'll be a supply drop over
The
there.
loot and all.
Coming to you.
Where is it tell now?
Oh, this is which place?
This is the rickety rig now. Oh, we are in the
That's why
zone.
they
We are in the
named-
zone.
Rickety Rex.
What's
What
it
is
sound?
this one?
Yeah, we are in the zone.
Oh,
Hey
cool.
dude, please, like, can we share the loot of the vault?
The wall should be somewhere over here.
Don't go now. Please don't. Please don't bully me. Yes. Oh, there's Chopper also.
Give it a look. Yeah, baby. Wrong place.
Where is it?
Oh, I can see a llama. Give it a llama.
Where?
It should be somewhere
Mark
over
it now.
here. What do you
Where
want?
is
The llama? The
Yeah.
llama is
Mark.
there.
Mark. Yeah. Short. I'll go for it. Both of us will do half of the snacks and all.
I guess this thing. Who all are going for the vault?
Where is the vault? I think the vault is buried.
No, the
Like
vault's there.
underwater.
I went it in the. I played it in the normal game. Who's hopping into this boat? Advik, look at you. Hello, Advik.
Oh my god, we just got materials. We didn't get any ammo. Is it should I stay up to 60 or I'll go up to 100?
Hello, Shaurya. Shaurya, hop in. Where's Advik? Why isn't
I
he not
am-
talking?
Vote in the public, please.
What happened, Advik?
I'm in the chopper.
Let's go for till. Oh my god. Oh my god. Purple burst. Shaurya, come up. Oh my god. Yeah, let's go for Tilla. Yeah, baby. Advik, are you there in the game?
Oh, he left the party.
How do you know he's in the party?
No, he switched his channel like he's in game channel.
Hello? Why are you all in the game channel? Sure. Electric revamp.
Yeah.
Shaurya, come
Yeah,
out.
I'm there.
I mean, Veer, come out.
Why is he
Where are
doing
you?
such a bot?
Come out, come out.
Oh my
Come up.
god.
Bro, he's a PC player. He's a newcomer. Come up, come in. Quick.
Press E.
Press E. Done. Let's go for Tilla. Hey, Advik's still there. He's moving.
Yeah, Advik is in a boat.
Where's Ocean? Go for this.
Over here somewhere. He's somewhere here. She always spawned here. Advik died? No, Advik left.
Offline.
I heard the boat.
I have the
Advik
burst.
There's somebody.
I have a burst.
Hey, Shaurya, we put his mic on after like so long.
Shaurya, come out of the boat.
Press E. Hold E. Yeah. Just remember that.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Open the wall.
I don't have the key.
Bro, then what? Then
The-
what do you do?
1 minute, I'm coming.
You didn't kill a potion?
No, I got the burst. I've got a normal burst.
Oh, I thought you got Ocean's burst. That's why.
Somebody took a burst assault rifle or what?
Nah, she spawns randomly.
But when we shake down henchmen, we cannot see
Yeah,
them.
no, you can't see. Yeah, that's what. This season has a lot of bugs. Like, as in, like you can't.
Somebody's dying.
No, it's a
Who's that?
henchman. It's a henchman.
Okay.
Let me eliminate that henchman. I eliminated
Someone is trying
that.
to snipe me.
No, I'm eliminating a henchman.
No.
Oh my god, oh my god. I can hear Ocean. Ocean.
Yes, she's here. I saw. I got her. I tagged her.
Got her. Ah! Advik's inviting.
No, don't join. Dude.
No, I'm inviting him, just
He's
inviting him.
also sending. Yeah, I'm inviting him. I'm rejecting. No, wait. I won't reject it.
I'll
You only send
take
him a party invite. He's
this
not there.
and I'll take
Give
this.
me that boss. Give me that boss.
Bro, I need, yeah, you take the burst. Let me drink the chug. Everybody disguise. Disguise.
Nah, bye. Oh my god. I think you're a henchman.
That's why I said
Henchman, my
disguise.
biggest.
Hey, let's bait them. Let's
I have
bait.
dibs on the vault.
Yeah.
Not the whole vault. Like I've dibs on like the supply drop of.
I'll just try to
Like,
bait
like-
people. I'll camp in the wall. Let's camp in the wall. Let's camp in the wall.
Bro, who is going to Fortilla? No one's going Fortilla. You're sure? Yeah, we friend has gone AFK.
No,
Now
he's.
you came back.
I don't know. He's not moving. Yeah, he is. Invite this guy. Invite Advik.
Yeah. This has joined it. I've just joined it.
Hey, give me the hunting rifle at least.
I have a blue hunting rifle.
Give me the purple
You want the
one.
blue hunting?
You want the chug jug? Now give me the purple hunting. Ah, got it. At least give me the hunting.
Come closer.
I'm full. Why do I have a pistol?
My blue.
Take a med kit.
No, I'm so
I'll take
sick.
I'll take a med.
Oh my god.
I'll take P.
Dude, that was mine. We just stole my P90. Oh, that's it.
See, there's another P90 over here.
That P90 is mine.
Hey, I'm
Yeah, that's
Ocean.
what I
I'm.
said. That P90 is mine. Hey, come, let's go for the chopper, wherever it is.
Wait. Let somebody come at least. We want to do some trolling and all over
No
here.
one will come. Look at this no scope on him.
Oh, I can use only the boss weapon. Sorry, I cannot take any other weapon. I can take only heal. Take this. Whoever wants can take it.
Come.
Dude is
They have a
coming.
good shotgun. They have a good shotgun.
I don't know. I had a
Hey, come.
green.
I have two launch. I have two launch. One because I found the llama. Hey, where did the helicopter go? Helicopter. I'll
There
spit
are
out
two
because I have a hunting.
There are two choppers. I'll carry big.
Yeah, I know. We'll take
Hey,
the
who's
one
carrying big pots?
That was me. I'm carrying a big pot.
Okay. I'm carrying minis and meds.
Hey, take the chopper now. It's up over there. I can't find the chopper. Yeah, it's over there.
I can use only the boss weapons, bro.
Zone is behind us.
This Hardik was spamming me with this party
Take a
invites.
shotgun. Ali, take a shotgun.
Why isn't this guy not
Don't join
coming?
me, please.
Dum.
Come
I
quick.
got chased.
Veer, come out. Come out from there. Come down.
Yeah,
You come to zone. Zone.
Yeah. Bring him.
Do zone.
Veer, come out.
Zone is like right behind us.
Yeah, jump. Veer, jump. Yeah,
Wait.
come down. Bring the chopper.
Oh, fine. Get it.
I'm in.
Oh.
Veer, Pressy.
Hold
Come
W.
here, Pressy.
Hold-
Come near the
press
chopper,
W,
Veer. Come
W,
down.
And press E. Press
down.
E, press W. Press W. Hold it. Yeah. Now, wait. Now,
Come.
stop moving And press E.
Press E. Yeah, you are in. Let's go.
Yeah.
I'll sit on the other side. Bro, why isn't he not coming? He came and left.
You keep on leaving.
What's he playing?
Look,
Close.
the pirate.
Close encounters are back.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go for the drop. There'll be people over there. Wait, I'll drive.
You drive.
People from behind. Spam!
He's so moving.
I'll spam. Got one. Nice, baby.
And you suck.
What the hell this Advait dum. Hey dum. Wait, I'm joining party channel. Hello Advik.
What lineup if you require?
Hello.
Hello.
क्या हुआ?
We all are in the game channel. You can play a game if you want. When we are ending, we'll call you. He said he'll play one game and come.
Press X. Yeah, fine. Yeah, keep on. I'm pressing W. Now press E. Press E now.
Press E. Yeah, in. Let's go. We'll keep these tricks in mind.
There were people over there. Can I show the...
Keep these things in mind.
I got it half people over.
Guy.
Where?
I could see somebody gliding. On the launch pad.
I was on the launch pad. I didn't take the launch pad.
I have a scar, but I cannot use it.
You took the car. You have a mythic dude.
Oh, somebody was rebooted.
Someone got rebooted at Holly.
Press E.
Go at Holly. Holly.
Found him. Camp over here. Camp in the top. Camp in the roof. Guys over there. Got him, boy. Oh my god, a legendary chest. Pistol. Oh my god. Who took the chopper?
Rebooted. Wait, his teammates here.
Got him, boys.
And they're dead.
Advik's inviting me. I told him to.
Yeah, same. Stop. I didn't tell him stop. I'm like stop.
Oh my god! Everybody go in the zone.
I have 2 launches. You want to launch?
Nah. We are in the zone actually. Yeah, place a launch. Shaurya, follow him. Follow. Come from here. Come behind. Yeah, there. Behind.
Hey, how many? Wait, you'll be able to play till late now today because today is a weekend.
No, I cannot. Sure, Veer, where are you?
What time will you be?
7:30, 7:45.
Oh, yeah, that's way more. Let me take the launch. Yes, I took the launch.
Fire at me, firing at me.
Hey, over there. Launch. Launch.
Matrix! Oh my god, 39.
I'm launching, is that okay?
Let's Mount Rushmore
they are
them. Shaurya, go over there.
I am good. I'm the king.
Huh? Gotcha, boy. Oh my god, pro people. Who's dead?
I got one.
I do not have a shotgun.
Oh shit.
Next should be Kid. Please, it should be Kid. I'm inviting this guy. What the hell? Advik is with 3 people? Bro, there are a lot of people. Be careful. Drum gun. Bro, come down, come down, come down. Revive, revive, revive. Nowhere, there's a guy.
Wait.
Got him? Get over here, get over here, get over here, son, get over here.
Wait.
Get over here. I'm down.
Yeah, I know.
You revive.
Yeah, wait. Quick.
I'm gone.
I died.
No. It's a 1v1.
Come on. Show them the power of... Let's go. Advik, get over here. Oh, I'm Jules now. Let's do some cheating. Everybody return to lobby. Leave match. Return to lobby. I'm doing cheating in this game.
I had 2 bursts. I was like, where did the drum gun go?
YouTube and Fortnite don't ban me for this cheating because I'm going to use Kit now in place of Jules. Why is this idiot inviting me? Bro, at least join the party. I don't want Jules. Me wearing Kit.
Hey, put it on don't kill.
Change.
Hey bro, Advik is playing with 3 other people. I'm sending a party invite.
Where's Shaurya?
Let's grind.
He joined somebody else's party.
Yeah.
I invited him.
Let's grind.
Wait.
I invited him. Let's
Shaurya
grind.
came. I'm literally inviting this guy. Why is he not coming?
No, he must be playing with other.
Bro, he's in the lobby literally.
Yeah, I know he must be chatting.
Who all are there in this lobby?
It doesn't show. They're not my friends.
He's
I don't
alone?
know. See, Kabir. No.
Yeah, he came. Bro, at least join the party.
Yeah, bro, I was not able to. That was the error code. Can play
Yeah,
Rocket
I'm unable
because
to
I
join
can't play
OMG.
sports.
Bro, I have only one. I have to play one more match, then we can play creative. This one match because I'm filming now.
Like, it was so scary. It was like a 1v1. I thought he would be thoda far away. So then I started just building a base. Then out of nowhere, he was like, oh, that is my creative mode.
I love this, bro.
Hey,
Bro, don't put creative.
Like, 2 matches.
Squads.
You'll be able to play matches, no?
I need to play this game. I need to play this game.
Sports. I like a lot.
I need to play only one game, then we can play creative because I'm filming 2 games. I'm alive yet.
Dude, you have to give me the heat launcher.
Yeah, you can't take the heat.
My name.
Your name is not Yeet mode. Your name is not Yeet mode.
I know.
I'll give Yeet
I
mode.
Yeet for anything.
Where's
Wait,
Yeet
you
mode?
can ask Kabir. You know that on WhatsApp.
There he
He's not
is.
offline. He's
Yeet
playing
mode.
Roblox.
Who's playing Roblox?
He's offline. On Heat mode.
Bro, I just saw my teammate. I was just trying to play squads. It still lagged, and my teammate was Captain America.
Which Captain America? The real one or the skin?
The skin, bro.
I just need another dub. Then
It's
the second, the continuous 2
you know,
dubs
its
in the
shield
film.
is not at all good.
Then we'll play.
The shield is a
yeah.
pickaxe.
Like
Yeah.
even my heart is like still it's
Please, we
pounding.
will play creator because I lag a lot.
Yeah, we'll play create. Oh my god, Catty Corner is a hot
I
drop.
don't
Be
even
careful,
know if I can
everybody.
make this game. Where are we going now?
Catty
Can we go
Corner.
to the boat?
Catty.
Oh, I'm gonna lag like anything. This.
Oh, we have Harley Quinn. No.
Why doesn't the person lag in?
Oh my, is it to the default or I'm not?
The guy is not a
my
default.
thing. What skin?
I don't know the name. It's like a nice. It's a bad skin.
Dude, mark it. Where are we going?
I've marked it. The red mark.
I hope I don't lag this time.
I have dibs on the heat.
Where is it?
Yeah,
The red mark. In the map. Look in the see in the map.
Where is it?
Catty Corner.
Okay. Shashank, be with me.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a jubilation guy here.
there's a renegade raid over here.
Where?
Just kidding. You know, on my PC account, I didn't have renegade raid or anything, but I had soccer skin.
Okay.
Soccer skin comes in the item shop, right?
Oh, okay. There's a person in front of me. It's like,
But
you know,
it's really
scuba
rare.
thing.
Like you can't,
Like a scuba
you rarely
thing,
see
bro.
people with it.
Oh, the
scuba
scuba skin. Scuba Junzi.
Yeah.
It's a boy or a
No,
girl?
It's like he's covered fully. I think it's a boy. He looks real weird, but I've seen him in many.
He looks like a default to me from here. Drift is doing jubilation.
No, this guy. Not this guy, not the jubilation.
This
The
guy?
person This one.
He's a default.
Who's that guy? This guy.
This is Drift.
Who you're hitting.
Oh, this guy.
Bro,
Hi, Drift.
You're filming?
Wait, I'll give you a high five.
You know, like
I want to give you a high five, Drift.
You started filming?
High five. Yeah, I'm already filming.
just something like
High five. I'm a YouTuber.
yeah.
Dare you don't high five me. Yeah, you did not high five me.
Who's veg over here?
Nobody is vegetarian.
Oh, bro. Nobody's vegetarian here.
Hey, you sorry, I'm
Tell me when to
Yo,
jump.
we switched to my phone.
Okay, everybody's in party
Bro, how
channel.
much
Everybody's
can
in
you
party
lag
chat.
that you can't see?
Everybody's in party chat. Everybody join. What do we say?
He must be on
No, game chat. Everybody join
He must
game
be on
chat.
game channel.
Yeah, I don't.
Ajik, you know how to join
I
game
don't know how
chat?
to do
Game
that.
channel.
Click on the three dash
No.
wala button. Click on the 3 dash wala button, then you'll get a game channel. Hello?
Yeah, Ian have joined.
Yeah, we
he
is
was
there.
on the game channel.
Oh my
He was
god,
on
there's a
game
lot of
channel,
people.
that's
There's a
it.
lot of people. Be careful, be careful.
Hey, dude, I don't think we'll be able to cosplay because too many.
Yeah, we cannot cosplay
There's like
now.
one squad coming, dude.
Oh, more than a squad. I'm drinking the squad. Bro, at least Adit did not join. I guess he's not like. Wait, I'll join party chat. Adik, you got to know how to join Papa.
Hello?
You got to know how to join the game chat.
No way, let me.
Click on the 3 dash, then you'll get
Bro,
to
it's a
get an
miracle.
option.
It's
What?
a miracle I'm on land, bro. Yeah,
Ajik?
on the 3 dash then.
3 dash, then you'll see an option for game channel or party channel. You can see your own name
then,
there.
like,
Click
we can't
on
talk or
game
something?
channel. Click on game channel, you'll get
We
to
can't
talk.
talk then.
Yeah, you
Dude,
can talk.
Yeah,
Click on game channel.
Game channel only.
No.
Settings. Settings.
3 dash game channel. Click on 3 dash. No! You click not settings. In the left side, you can see your own name
3
over
dash.
there. In the left side, you can see your name.
Yeah. Yeah,
Below
game
that,
channel.
game channel. Click on game channel.
What should I do?
Click on it. Yeah. Done. Done. You are on game channel. Welcome. Ajik, everybody stay close. Ajik,
What
move.
up?
Ajik, move.
We do.
Move.
Yeah, wait, I'm not able to. Yeah, I lagged on the game channel thing.
Yeah, I've joined game channel. Yeah, I am tipped on the heat launcher.
What the? Got one. Boom, baby. Yeah.
Are they in front of me?
No, there's nobody in front of you. You're safe.
From
Shaurya, what are you doing?
oh yeah.
Can you explain what you're doing?
Minigun.
Run!
So can you come to me? Can you come to me?
We are in the middle of a fight.
50 players remaining. I have no gun.
Somebody
Oh,
took
no.
it. Somebody took
I have
it.
nothing. Can you help me?
You need a gun?
Hey, can you give me some metal?
Yeah, bro, be with me. Be with me.
Yeah, we are with
Be
you.
with me,
Dude,
please.
you're not
Come
even
near
that
me.
body. You're not
Kid!
that
Yeah, I know
you're not
that, but still.
I can find him.
seriously trying to.
Dude.
Yeah, wait, I found it. Wait, I'm gonna just hide this.
Give me the boy.
So I need something. I need
And
something.
hey, I need that gun.
Dude, Advik.
Advik, I need that gun. Advik, I need that gun.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, I
have to
need
heat launcher.
Not that, the shotgun. The charge shotgun, I need it.
the shotgun.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, bro. This one.
Yeah, that's a mythic weapon. Thank you.
Then can you give me something else then?
Yeah, see, there's a lot of weapon over there.
Yeah,
Anybody
you
have
know what?
shorty ammo? Anybody?
I have 36. Nice. Come quick, dude.
Yeah, come in.
Shaurya, we friend. No, bro,
Where
you have
is
to
the
protect the
zone?
wall and none of you know how to edit properly.
Okay,
By
bro,
edit,
what
I
is
mean
this?
like edit quickly.
What?
Come here.
I have.
Advik has the key
Check
card.
the
Advik has the key card. Advik has the key card.
Should I keep the key card?
Yeah, keep
Should I
it.
No,
the
drop
keypad?
it down. Yeah, keep it. Come here. And open this.
Can you take it? 'Cause-
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Wait, not this. Yeah,
coming.
take this. Take this.
Yeah,
Somebody's firing.
Swap it. Come quick. No, might be henchman.
No, it's not a henchman.
Where? Michael.
Where are you, Veer?
Come, like,
Where's
folding.
Veer?
To open this.
When the vault.
Yeah, just.
I opened the vault. I'm leaving one side open for all of us. Wait,
I edited
go to
it.
the wall now. Wait for Veer to come.
Bro, I'm carrying minis and all.
Yeah, I need it. I took the.
I got a flare gun. I
You,
got a
somebody
flare
who's taking minigun and all, can you just drop the shields? Yeah, thank you. Small shields. Let me take small shields.
Oh,
gun.
cool.
Mini. He's here.
Yeah, I have minis. You cannot drink minis now. You can
Dashpad,
drink the big pot. Drink the big
should
pot.
I'm
Advik, drink
carrying
the
a-
big pot.
Everyone come here. Everyone come here. No, wait. I have jugs.
I'm full, I'm full.
Oh, you are full.
I'm not
I'll
full.
go.
I'm not full.
Yeah, it's
I'm
okay.
full
It's
on
okay.
catch. I'm wasting one. No, I'm saying I'm wasting one to go to.
Bro, take. Should I take the?
No.
I have the flare gun, but flare gun.
No, dude, did you hear what I said? Advik, you can't drink that.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm talking about the flare gun.
Yeah.
Yeah,
what's
keep
it
the flare
called?
gun, keep the
Just
flare gun.
I'm-
Yeah.
I'm placing a launch to go to. I have 2 launches, so I'm using one just to go for that helicopter.
Yeah, okay. That big box for
Hey,
Shaurya, huh?
Where are we
give
going?
to Shaurya Veer. Give that to Shaurya Veer.
Yeah, Shaurya, drink the big. First, drink the minis.
So I
Shaurya, देख ऊपर there'll be minis in the top floor. Come. Where you are? Drink. I'll follow me.
Like right behind us. Hey, don't know. Use the
Come
launch.
out.
I'm getting the chopper.
Come out.
Yeah, come.
Shaurya, come out. Yeah, come out. Follow me. Electric revamp, come fast. Everybody stay near the chopper. He's coming. WSDD is coming.
Yeah. Just come now. Oh no. Okay, just wait. Yeah. Wait for me, okay? Don't
Shaurya
fly.
hit W. Hit E. Hit E. Shaurya hit E.
Wait.
E. We are done. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, nice work. Let's go to Lady.
Wait, let me see what challenges do I have. Harvest metal, outlast opponents, SMG elimination, AR elimination, ride a loot shark, outlast. Hey, can you give me an AR and a SMG? I just need to eliminate people with it, and I'll give it to you back.
Can I just take the hunting? I think
And
is
your
that-
SMG.
Is that?
wait.
Bro, I own
Get in. You are
down.
not.
Like, I'm not.
Get in. Come down.
I'm down. I'm
Oh
down.
yeah, wait.
It's okay.
Me too. Who took the chopper? Oh, yeah, this.
It's on low head. It's on low head. It's on low head. I see someone there, I think.
Yeah, I need to eliminate a guy. Using
Is that a guy?
Population
no, there's no guy.
Hey, can you give me some sniper ammo?
Wait, get away, get away. Come, wait, I guess I
don't.
have. Yeah, I have 10.
Oh no, no fall damage. No, I don't. I don't.
Oh, Shaurya, we drink this. You have, no? Yeah, no one take it.
Ocean. Shaurya, drink the big
Shaurya,
pot.
take the
Shaurya,
big
drink the
pot.
big pot. Oh, I need a yeah. Where is?
Hey, someone shot at me. You were like that fire.
Got him.
You can
14K
take all the
HP,
loot. I don't want
baby.
to sniper ammo. Yeah, you can take like everything.
Hello?
I want to sniper ammo. Oh.
I'll give the sniper ammo to you.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, you can use
Let's go
my
to this zone. Oh no, no,
Someone
no.
reboot.
Hey, who stole my kill? Nobody stole. I'm not raging. I'm not raging. Got him. Oh my god, I'm glitched. I'm glitched. I'm glitched. I'm safe. I'm safe. Who shot the flare gun?
Over here, you can't. I can't move properly.
Yeah, if any go into the top of the reboot van, he cannot move.
I'm not able.
Yeah,
Of course, yeah,
it was weird. I was default dancing on that dude and I couldn't move him. Because that dude had attack, but I don't want to take it.
There's
I have to
another
move
guy.
him. I want to try. Hey, someone there. My kill. Dude, he stole
Can
my
we go to the zone now?
Hey, leave
Yeah,
the
you can
sniper
go,
ammo.
you can go.
Leave the sniper ammo.
Yeah, you can take it.
I have the heat launcher, so me and Shashank are fine. Me and
Yeah,
Shashank
you
can
both
do
go in the
it.
zone. You both
I
go in
have
the
the
zone.
best gun in the game. Yeah, both of us can survive. Both. I have the rapid fire, the best SMG in the game. You know, it's supposed to be better than the drum gun.
Go in the same. Go in the zone. Go in the zone.
Take the flare gun if you want.
No, I don't need.
Shashank, come. I'm not launching. I'm using the heat launcher to go in zone. Why, everyone come here. I can launch all of y'all, I think.
No, you
No,
all are
it's okay.
facing. Am I guessing the correct thing?
Yeah, these people here. Oh,
I
wait,
don't
no,
want
no,
to-
don't do it. Anything. Look, the marauders are dancing. Can you see? You saw the marauder dance? Hey, help! You saw the marauder dance? That's the new feature of it.
No.
What the freak?
Where at? Oh no. Oh no.
Yes. He's a dead-eye marauder.
Oh, the dead.
The dead.
I need the hunting.
Grab the loot.
One of yours can take.
Take the
hunting,
loot, boys.
I need the... If someone take the RPG, RPG will be damn good.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's
I
go
took-
in the
I
zone.
took
Go
it, I
zone.
took it.
Zone.
We are in zone.
If someone has hunting rifle ammo,
Yeah.
there is
Where are you?
another RPG here. I am.
Yeah,
here.
just come here. I'm dropping like 5 or 10.
Oh, Shaurya needs
Yeah,
help.
okay.
Shaurya needs help. Tell him to use the medkit. Shaurya needs help.
Yeah, sorry, come.
Help.
Press E to swap. E to swap. swap.
Okay,
You know
there's
to
a,
swap a weapon, na? It'll be an option to swap a weapon. Yeah. Now apply the medkit. First apply the medkit.
I'm not.
Yeah, medkit
Guys,
is
I'm
the
not
thing you
able to
need
move.
first. Yeah, I know you're lagging.
Guys,
You're lagging.
the zone is
Shashank,
close to me and I'm
where
not
are you?
moving.
Yeah,
I'm
now
now
drink the
finding a
mini.
shark.
Now drink the minis.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm not able
I'm
to
launching.
move.
Oh my god, players
Oh,
at me,
yeah.
players at me. Don't launch, don't launch. Don't launch. They have the burst assault and a scar. They have the burst assault and a
Yeah,
scar.
I'm
Don't launch.
coming.
Take the waterfall, take the
I have
waterfall.
launched.
Don't launch.
I haven't. I launched, but I still didn't fully launch.
Are you
think I'm
coming?
that dumb?
Run.
Ah!
Hey, people here, people here. People up there.
Come down the waterfall, come down the waterfall. Everybody come down the waterfall. Everybody come down the
I don't know
waterfall.
how to do that.
Just
I'm
walk.
coming.
I'm lagging.
Fast.
Brother. Quick, just start swimming rapidly.
I came.
Yeah, come down, come down, come down.
Come down the waterfall from
Now
the
where?
waterfall.
Waterfall.
Yeah, now what? How to?
Hey, people here, people here, people
You
here.
don't know the Shaurya, don't come from there,
How to
come
do
from the
that?
waterfall. Shaurya, come from the waterfall.
The waterfall.
Use
That's
the
it.
no, the
fire
waterfall,
that
the lake near you.
to do that?
Come down from the. Arey, just swim, just swim. Yeah, you are down. You are down. Bye, bye.
Bro, come on.
Oh my god, another survival.
Bro, I knew it. Bro, come.
To do that, Asha.
Oh, that's bad. You
I'm
rude
coming.
person, bro.
Why
Oh
Dude,
lol,
that's
dude.
toxic. That's why when I heard him going like, soda.
What was
Hey, I see someone here. Hey, someone here.
So someone is rocket ammo. Oh, gosh.
God, what are you doing? There's a
There's a sniper.
hoot hoot over here. Hoot hoot. I mean the aham.
Hey,
Well and good.
somebody revive me.
Oh my god.
God one.
Somebody clap my reboot.
Yeah. That's fun at least.
Oh, shit, he's right there.
Actually, we cannot take a reboot card, Veer, because there's no reboot one.
I can't. Shit.
What the
Oh,
freak?
yeah.
How many people?
One.
Only one.
Look at this dude. Look at Advik. This dude's like sweaty as in like sweaty. He's on PS. He's on PS.
What the freak?
What was that?
Collect the card
Oh.
first.
Bro, there's no reboot
Dude,
one in the
collect the
location.
I know, just collect the cards, na. Like loot up. No, this dude is on. Just take all the loot. Take all the loot.
I cannot take your loot. It's a challenge. Dum dum.
Dude, are you kidding me? This
Okay, can
seriously
you
dead
take a
and you're
reboot
trying to
card
do a
then?
challenge for a YouTube video.
Take the reboot card.
Dying.
To do the bot.
Take the reboot card.
Oh my god, he's a freaking builder. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dude, take the L. Just take the L.
No, I don't have to take the L. I'm dancing on your corpse.
Come on.
You
So
creative,
now can we
creative,
play creative?
Thank you guys for watching.
Return
Make
to
sure you have an
lobby,
awesome
please.
day. Bye bye.